What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of GNCRC. So today, guys, we got a tabletop unboxing. First, I want to give a shout out to RC All-Wheel Drive for this part. And thanks for sponsoring this unboxing. Guys, make sure you go over to their page, webpage. If you buy anything from there, make sure you use my promo code GNCRC05. I will put a link in the description. And I'll put a link to this as well. And while you guys are here, if you go ahead and hit that sub button for me and hit that notification button so that way you don't miss any videos. We got a whole bunch of videos coming, whole bunch of stuff coming, guys. So make sure you stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into this. We're going to unbox this thing with my handy unboxing knife. You guys want your own nice unboxing knife or just a knife, make sure you go over and you check the link below to Blade City. Hit that link and check out some of their knives. So we're just gonna jump right into this. We'll go ahead and open this. Nice, lovely stickers. So check this out. This is their new 370 motor and transmission. Really nice constructed. This is what I call a big block. So for you guys that want to put some more power into your SCX24s, which I've been noticing a lot of people have been doing that lately, go over to RCAWD.com and check out these motors. You guys stay tuned because I will be doing some videos on this motor. Got to figure out which platform I want to put it in. But like I said, this is a 370 motor. So we should be able to get some really good speed runs in. So this is a brush motor. And this is compatible with any of your SCX24s. You can get this in black and red. And they did send me two. So we will be doing a giveaway. We got a nice Christmas giveaway coming with some stuff I did with RC All-Wheel Drive the early part of the year. So stay tuned for that. I can kind of give you guys an idea of what it's going to be. It's actually going to be a deadbolt, and we got some RC All-Wheel Drive parts coming with it. We're probably going to throw this in with it, of course. And we got a bunch of tires, a bunch of wheels we might give away. Not really sure how I'm going to do it. I don't know if I'm going to give this away separate from that actual deadbolt, and I don't know how I'm gonna do with the tires. I would like to do one big giveaway, but we just may do several different, maybe 3 different giveaways. So what I'm hoping for you guys to do is go over and hit that sub button. Trying to get to 2,500 subs. We're not far away. Go ahead and hit that sub button for me, guys, and get ready because I'm gonna be doing this giveaway pretty soon. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you go ahead and hit that notification button as well. Again, thanks to RC All-Wheel Drive for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys go over and check out their website. Use my code, you get that 5% off. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.